Shannon at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach, Florida. Today we're going to be looking at the brand new 2102 from NauticStar. It's their center console model for offshore use. If you notice, the front is a 42-degree dead rise, which is good for sharp entry into the waves. Gives you a very smooth ride. You have the high gunnels. This one is a nice classic white. Transom is a 19-degree dead rise, so it has a lot of stability when you're out there fishing. This one is equipped with a 150 Yamaha. There's no wood in this boat. It has a lifetime warranty against rot or anything like that. This boat has trim tabs on it. Now we're going to go up in the boat and check it out. Okay, we're up here in the rear of the boat. If you'll notice right here on the transom, you have a freshwater shower, seating for 3 in the back, which with removable cushions. If you're out doing a day of fishing, you may want to take all these cushions out if you're going to be a little messy. Right here in the rear, you have your live well. Have a bucket for your cast net. Of course, a cooler goes up under the seat at the helm. You have a high back seat with footrest right here, very comfortable. Stainless steel steering. This one is equipped with a 7-inch Simrad, infinity stereo. Plenty of room for all your gear right here in the center console. And this boat is family friendly with your bow seating up front and storage underneath. These boxes are insulated as well. Maximum capacity of 8 people on here, so you can take your friends and family out fishing. If you're interested in this boat or any boat like it right here that we have at MarineMax, just give me a call. My name is Shannon. My number is 850-630-5459. Thanks.